Hey guys, in this video, I'm showing you how to get Affirm on Teachable, so your customers can buy your courses or products with Buy Now, Pay Later options, making it easier for them to enroll and boosting your sales. First off, make sure you have a Teachable business plan or higher. Affirm integration is only available on paid plans that support payment gateways. Next, go to your Teachable admin dashboard greater than payment gateways. Look for the Affirm option under Available Gateways and click Connect. Here's what to do. Sign up or log in to your Affirm merchant account. If you don't have one yet, apply at affirm.com/merchant and link it to your Teachable store. Now, enter your Affirm API keys into Teachable. You'll find these in your Affirm dashboard under Settings or Integration Tools. Don't forget to enable Affirm as a payment option on your sales page. Once connected, students will see the Affirm financing button at checkout. Here's a pro tip. Use marketing banners and pricing tags that highlight Affirm financing. This helps convert more buyers who might otherwise hesitate. So should you feel stuck offering only one-time payments? Not anymore. Just follow these steps, set up Affirm, and start increasing your course sales today. Let me know in the comments if you've added Affirm to your Teachable site and how it's working for you. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.